Look how cute and tiny the box is. Let's open it. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. I try. Really, Linda? I think Linda thinks that this is like BarkBox or something. Okay, let's see what we got here. Are you done? Now you done? You want to see? It's not food? Okay, so we got 4 there. And then this one, we have 1 more. And then I used some of my loyalty points to get some of the fat brushes. The fatter bristled brushes to swap out some of the thin ones. All right, we've got Holo Cappuccino. Pretty. Haute Couture. It's really similar to what's on my finger, but it's not. Blushed Ice. Need I say mocha? And espresso your holo. Here we go again. This one took, I have to do the math. I can't remember when I ordered it. All right, 11 days again. I ordered it on the 12th. Today is the 23rd. Let's open it up. I have scissors next to me this time. This would make this slightly easier. Not really, though, one-handed. And Linda. What, Lynn? What do you see? It's not for... Ow! It's not for you. Hang on, I gotta make this cut bigger. Okay, I finally got her off my knee. Oh, that box is open. That's okay. Okay. This is a phone. Why is the flash on? Okay. This is a phone holder for the car. Okay. All right, let me figure this out and we'll be back, right, Lynn? Right. Okay, Linda's been replaced by Karen. Okay, so it was just 2 pieces to put together and they just snap together right here. And so you've got, that can move. This turns and it makes, you can telescope it in and out. You make it shorter. This moves, so you can turn that knob to tighten that. And then this push down to suction this bottom piece. It's got a piece of plastic over it. It's kind of sticky underneath here, so I put the plastic back on it. Because I'm not sure why it's sticky. But I think it's kind of cool looking. I like that it's got so many, like, the different angle. We'll see. We'll see how well it fits my phone. Because my phone is kind of big. Oh. Okay. All right, I've got to figure this out. We'll see what else is in the bag. Okay, learned a couple of things. Super sticky gel pad securely sticks to multiple surfaces, even fabric, And it's also easy to remove. So it is supposed to be sticky. It is right now holding my phone in it. I can't show you that because I'm filming with my phone. But it works really cool. So there's two little buttons here. I'll use this. There are these two little buttons here on the sides. And when you push those two short ones, these two big ones pop out. And then you put your phone in. And this button right here, when your phone pushes that button, these two snap back to hold your phone. And I've got a bunch of credit cards and stuff on the back of my phone in a holder inside the case. So my phone is very thick. This holds it very, very securely. I'm very pleased with that. And it's really easy to get your phone out. You just squeeze these two little things again. It's just a one boop like that. And then your phone pops out into your hand. So if it actually stays on the dashboard, I could be really impressed with this little gadget. I'm very happy so far. Yeah, easy to clamp. Auto lock, easy one-handed looting. One-handed looting. What is a lewd? I don't know. All right, let's see what else is in this bag. Oh, this is a tiny little sewing kit because I have no idea where any of my needles or anything are. And so I threw this in here. It's got a little tape measure and a thimble. And it's in this cute little 2-story box with an extra little lid on top. Let me take it out of the plastic. Okay, so this opens. That is an adjustable sort of thimble. It's metal, but just barely. You got little scissors. You got your, that's the thing you thread the needle with. A little tape measure. Got a bunch of needles here. So all that's in your little top compartment. Then you open this up. And you take the top compartment off. And there's 8 different colors of thread. And then they can clamp back on. And then you do the bottom one. And you got 8 more colors of thread. So I thought that was really nice. I found myself recently needing to mend a bunch of things and not being able to find a needle anywhere. So I thought I would get a nice set that would be easy to keep together and keep track of. All right, one last thing in the bag. All right. When I placed my first order, I told you I spent $64. I got an email that I got a $30 credit for spending the $60. So this would have been $29, so it was basically free. And this is a wireless nail drill. Portable, rechargeable, electric nail drill. So let me, well, that was easy. This way. And I really hope it's all pink and purple like it is in the pictures. Oh, it's beautiful. Ooh. I have no idea what you're supposed to do. Okay. Hang on. We got more pieces. Ooh. It's the scary part. There's the plug to charge it. There's a bunch of nail bits. And an instruction book. Yeah, it's supposed to light up like right here. Oh yeah, there's like a little square right there. See if I can get it to catch the light. Can you see it? Interesting. I'm going to have to learn how to use this. This spins. I assume there's a button or something on here. No, I don't see anything. All right, definitely going to have to read the instruction manual on this one, because I don't know how this works at all. But it's pretty. I just totally panicked. Okay, that's better.